will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to signals, click in this side. Like you see this color show for us, that's means signals notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.